Willpower feels powerful until it disappears. Most people rely on willpower to change their life. They promise themselves they'll be different tomorrow. They push hard for a few days, then they collapse, and they blame themselves. Willpower is emotional energy, and emotional energy is unstable. That's why it always fails under pressure. You can't build consistency on something that fluctuates daily. Willpower works when things are easy, when you're rested, when life is calm, when motivation is high. But life doesn't stay calm. Stress shows up, fatigue sets in, distraction increases, and willpower disappears. That doesn't mean you're weak. It means you built on the wrong foundation. Trained people don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. Systems don't ask how you feel, they decide in advance. Same time, same place, same action. When behavior is automatic, willpower is irrelevant. Most people try to force discipline. That only creates resistance. What actually works is removing choice, reducing friction, designing your environment so the right action is easier than the wrong one. If distraction is harder to access, focus wins. If effort is scheduled, consistency wins. You don't rise to the level of motivation. You fall to the level of structure. That's why repetition matters more than intensity. Small actions done consistently rewire behavior. Willpower reacts. Systems persist. If you want real change, stop asking yourself to try harder. Start asking how to make the action unavoidable. Because control doesn't come from forcing yourself. It comes from building systems that work even when you don't feel like it. Be elite, stay elite. Jump here for next video, and I will see you all on the next one.